9 Acres RV here in Moncton, coming at you with a brand spanking new acquisition. A 2022 Newmar Dutch Star with under 5,500 miles. This is loaded with features and loaded with options. All right, I'm excited. I'll try to take my time. I usually go fairly quick because I don't want to lose your attention. If you got ADHD like I do, you gotta do things quick. All right, full body paint on the outside. This is not an inexpensive motorhome, folks. Check out the paint within that slide. It is sitting on a Spartan K2 chassis with a 450 horsepower Cummins Turbo Diesel. That paint, by the way, I touched it with my hand and I could tell that there's been some type of wax or protection on that paint. Very nice, very slick. We got slide toppers on top of the slides. This is a full wall slide. The window, we got power window awnings, dual pane windows. It's got a chrome kit all the way around, including the front steps. It has the 360 degree cameras. We got a TV within the wall. Oh yeah, I'll do the baggage doors later, but check that out. Oh yeah, folks, it is a little windy today, so I didn't put out the Gerard Awnings. There's an awning on top of that door. Check out those roof awnings too. Gerard armless awnings. I think that is close to a $30,000 option. The steps are also chromed out. Tires on this, they're the 365 70R 22.5 on the Alcoa rims. At the end of the video, I'll do all the basement compartments, but for now, let's go in. All right, I just turned on the generator. Let's go. Model number 4369. Ding dong. Oh, there are my gloves. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Where do we start? Let's start up the engine. All right, let's check out some of the gadgets and technical stuff. There's your 360 camera. Does have the nav. Under 5,500 miles. Auto leveling system. Allison transmission. Charging station. Check this out. Here's your Gerard Awnings, Wine Guard satellite system, your Oasis, lights, gotta love it. Okay, here we go. So this sofa, that turns into a bed. Newmar does a great job with their accent lighting within the wood. That wood, wow, excellent job. All right, so we have very nice MCD blinds throughout the coach. They are daytime and nighttime. Press of a button, and this slides out. We have an induction cooktop. That is removable. You can actually bring that outside. Yeah, we got ourselves a dishwasher. Absolutely. 2 sinks. This is a Whirlpool convection microwave. I think I've mentioned before, but these These floors are heated. Take a look at the power recliners. Extra large USB connections. Place to put your remote controls. And that's directly across from the TV. Wait a minute. Where's the TV? Ah, it's officially Star Trek time. Do I do the noise? I love that. So you can either have an awesome window outside or watch the TV. Or you can use that one. Or that one. Your pick. Okay. Here's the dining table. There's 2 other chairs underneath a king-size bed. That table does extend. Got ourselves a Whirlpool fridge. It does have the ice maker. It's water dispensing. Looks like it's been recently cleaned. Check out the pantry. So to open up these doors, you gotta press in because they're self-locking and come right out. Love that wood. All right, this is a 4369, so that means bath and a half. Let's check it out. Yep, that is a ceramic toilet. Awesome sink. And a very well-placed fan. And just want to show you that is the central vacuum system. And this toilet is a push button flush. Again with the MCD blinds, love it. So you're probably asking, where is the carpet? Here's the full wall slide. There is absolutely no carpet in this unit whatsoever. Here's in her closet. Another huge TV. That looks to be like a 40-inch TV. Dresser. Absolutely, that's a king-size bed, folks. Another slide with opposing windows to give you great cross ventilation. Over here you have access to your reading lights, but also security lights on the outside. Now towards the back is where you'll find the main bathroom. Awesome shower. Absolutely amazing. That's the real deal. Oh my goodness. Behind here, we got the washer and the dryer. You know what that means. You can live in this thing. All right. His and her sinks. His and her medicine cabinets. Another one right here. Another push button flush in the back. A huge closet. Lots of spots there to put your shoes. There's the hose for the central vacuum. All your documents for the coach. And what's back here? You got yourself a safe. That's where all the gas money goes. All right. Absolutely awesome. Next stop is going to be the basement doors. I'll show you all of the compartments. Hello, privacy doors. Some here too, you know. There we go. Complete privacy. Let's go check out the outside. All right, as promised, towards the end of the video, we got the basement doors. Dometic fridge and freezer. Sliding tray number 1. It slides on both sides. Sliding tray number 2. So we've got some extra tiles over there. Oh yeah, the second tray goes both sides. Sliding tray number 3, only on this side. Central vacuum. Those are power connections for the Gerard Awnings. We got a pegboard here with some, you can put some tools, and I see there's lots of filters there. We got the chassis batteries. And over here is the DEF fluid, or your diesel exhaust fluid. Nice spoiler. There's the egress door, or your emergency door. Side radiator. Check out this very well organized wet bay. Water filtration system. Amazing. All right, your 50 amp power connection on a power reel. We got the Oasis heating system. Of course, this has heated floors. All right, and there's that third tray, second tray. And these are the house batteries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can count. And the electrical out front. Okay, folks. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. And for your US shoppers out there, I know you're out there. That's on the east coast of Canada. Hope to see you soon. Cousin Eddie, are you here? Oh my goodness, the Griswolds are here too. Where's Clark?
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.